Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are back again with another keyboard replacement. This time it's for the MSI 14-inch laptop with embedded keyboard or inbuilt keyboards. These are the type of keyboards that are designed not to be removable by the user. These type of keyboards are usually held in place by at least 80 to 100 studs. That requires a specific type of tool to remove it. I, however, have designed this spudger to be able to slice through those studs, allowing me to remove the keyboard with relative ease. That has allowed me to be able to do these kinds of repair. Another one of the tools that is also needed is a solder gun to reapply those studs once you have removed them. However, getting to this specific type of keyboards requires you removing the motherboard, the hard drive, and pretty much everything from the internal of the laptop in order to be able to remove this type of keyboard to perform a replacement. However, in my experience, performing a pre-test of the keyboard is always best before taking everything apart and replacing said keyboard. That should ensure that you're putting in a functional keyboard and not a defective one or a damaged keyboard. This has been an RC Electronics repair video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.